Stop it.
I'm letting you grab them.
No, we're not trying to grab them.
No, I'm trying to show you that. I'm not trying to hide you.
On June 21st, 2022, officers responded to a disturbance. Dispatch advised that a suspicious female was creating a disturbance at a construction site and wasn't allowing the workers to do their job. She was very uncooperative when the police arrived.
Hello.
Hello. This lady, she's crazy.
Where's she at?
She just walked away, but you know what? She's tried to steal the truck twice. Let me show you a little video that I took.
Let me go in the shade so maybe I can see it a little better.
Oh, so you know what?
Which way did she walk?
She walked that way. But it was just like, she was hitting my truck. She was like this, you know, pounding and hitting my truck. You know, but the scariest part is that she went and got into the white truck twice. And then she tried to go into this guy's inside the cabin. You know, it was pretty scary.
I don't recognize her. I wonder if she's homeless.
I think she looks homeless. She looks drunk.
Maybe
I'm sorry,
so,
guys.
yeah.
You know,
I don't recognize her. Do you, sure?
she was saying something like, "This is my first time." Something, I don't know.
She must be either.
She must be on something because
She's either on something or she's got some.
You know,
the way she was acting.
I could have. I was really afraid that she was gonna try to do something. Yeah, I was inside my truck and she started to pound like furiously. I'm like,
Does anybody have any damage?
no, I don't think so. Nothing that I can see. And
Okay.
Here's a better angle at her.
Oh, look at this one. He just.
Did you stop the video?
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
yes.
That's a good
Yeah,
angle.
we should figure out.
Soon, the officers were able to track down the female.
Young lady. Hey. Hello. You alright? What happened? You what?
Police officer.
Yep, you're right. What happened?
Police officer.
Yeah?
Stop.
What's your name?
Police officer. Stop.
Your name's police officer? You're up?
Police officers are off.
What's your name?
Police officers are off.
Yeah?
You understand that?
No, I don't.
No, you don't?
What's your name?
Why not? Because that was clear. Police officers are off.
Okay, you need to tell me who you are.
Police officers are off. Why are your eyes so weird?
I don't know.
What's your
Your
name?
eyes are weird looking. Your eyes are weird looking. I'm not telling you my name.
So you're gonna go
Your
to
eyes
jail.
are weird
Then
looking.
you're gonna go to jail.
Cool. Threaten me with that.
Okay, well let's go. I'm not threatening you. It's a promise.
Why?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Why do you have to threaten me with that? Your eyes are off looking.
What's your name? Any charges over there?
You're for disorderly conduct. Beating on shit.
Hit me with another.
Yeah,
Does he want it?
I'm sure we could probably talk to him. Can we go to trespassing?
Yeah, but
It's
contact
on
the
my
office.
30th birthday.
They'll be more than happy
You're
to.
gonna set me up with another job.
Just give us your information.
I really need to check myself out.
You damn right you do. You need to
No,
check
no,
yourself.
no. I need to check because I haven't been able to call to check on my card.
What's your
You got some
name?
bad shit, girlfriend.
What's your name?
I'm being for real.
So am I.
The police officers told me that I need to call and check.
I'm
Okay.
gonna talk to the officer.
Okay.
We can't check without your name. Is there a way you can check?
Yes, you have to have your name.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't want you involved.
Tell it to her.
I will.
Did you just call me a he? That was so rude.
You look like a he.
Well, you know what? Well,
You know what?
go there.
Your voice doesn't sound like a he.
She wasn't ready to give her information to the officers at all.
My bad. I
Wow.
apologize.
sound like a he. That's what I
I do apologize, though. I apologize. It looks like a he.
Ma'am,
No.
I apologize, though.
can you give her your information, please, so we can check for you?
Can I just have one-on-one?
Okay, give us your information and you're gonna go to jail for trespass and obstruct. All we're trying to get is your information. We've had multiple calls on you, and we're done with it.
Yeah, you guys set me up with the charge on my dad
Are
too.
you going to give me your information?
You set me up on the
count
charge
to 3, and then
with
you're
my
going into
dad.
custody. 1,
I haven't got to spend
3. Are you going to give us your name?
Yes.
Okay, then stop.
Then don't set
What
me
is
up
your
with
name?
charges on my dad.
What is your name?
Please.
What is your
Please.
name?
We're not.
Ma'am, what is your name?
You guys have.
Ma'am, what is your
Get them
name?
away from me, please.
What is your
I
name?
will give you it. Just get them away,
Okay,
please.
what is your name?
I'm begging you. Please.
You're not telling us what's
It's
going
my
on happened.
birthday.
Okay, what is your name?
Police officers.
What
they
is your
set me
name?
up with the charge
Ma'am.
on my dad.
Ma'am, what is your name? I can't help you unless you tell me who the hell you are.
Come away from me.
Who are you?
No. To
Nope.
make it right, you have to have backup. You have to have backup. No.
Get out.
You really wouldn't. You have to have backup.
Got some cuffs.
Please, I'll give you my name. Please stop.
Nope, too late.
It's my birthday. Please
Yep.
stop. I'll give you my name.
Sorry.
Please, I'm begging you. Please.
Should have thought about that before.
Before what? Please, I'm begging you, ma'am. Please. Please have mercy.
Sit up.
It's my 30th birthday.
Sit up.
My only
There you
30th
go.
birthday. Please have mercy.
You know her?
Please, I'm begging you.
What is your name?
Okay,
No,
what's your
we've
name?
asked this a million times.
What's
What's your name?
I haven't had a right
I'm just right down this
I'm
way.
trying to abuse my daddy.
That's all you had to do in the first place.
What's your birthday?
Just tell us your name.
Yeah,
What's
but
your
you guys
birthday?
don't need to abuse people like
No one's
that.
abusing
What's your
anybody.
birthday?
You are.
You don't need to
have
get
it.
inside people's cars and yell at them and beat on their
I
cars.
didn't
You
get
just did that
inside
over here.
anyone's car.
I got you on video.
Got you on video.
I didn't get inside his car.
Yes, you did.
What's your birthday? Are you still gonna play this game?
My dad works for the Social Security office. How do I know that's for real? No. For real. Like, I need to know it's okay to give you my Social Security office.
We're done playing with
What's your
you.
social security number?
I know it. Please let me know it's okay. Please let me know it's okay.
They want to tell you something.
Oh my lord.
Please, no,
Just tell her.
you.
Ma'am, you can't be here anymore. You're trespassing.
Thank
You're
you.
trespassing the property now.
Security number.
Stop fighting us.
I know my Social Security
Oh
number.
my gosh.
Let me give it to him. Please, sir. Please.
What kind of charges do you have?
I know my Social Security
have?
number. I will give it to you, but not everybody else.
Trespass, obstruct. She don't want to leave.
For personal abuse.
Come on.
I will not give it
Get
to
up and
everybody,
walk.
but I
Are
will
you
give
gonna
it to you.
Get up and walk. Are you going to walk like a grown
Sir,
woman?
please.
She continued to act difficult and resist the officers.
Been trespassed.
Sorry.
Let's walk off
Let
their
me
property.
talk.
You've been trespassed. Come on.
Please let me talk to him.
No, you got to leave the property.
I
You've
just
been.
gave him my social.
Don't be pushing on
I
me.
just gave him my social, man.
You're being
Please,
trespassed.
I'm begging you.
I'm begging you
I
to
will
please
leave.
get up and walk.
Can he come with me?
Come on.
I need to talk to him though.
Just
Stop.
walk.
So I can
Stop
talk to
doing
my
that.
dad.
Just walk.
Let
Stop
me
throwing
talk
yourself
to him, please.
Stop.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
Let
please
me talk
stop.
to him, please.
You
Stop.
got it.
I need to talk to my dad. Please, sir. Please, sir.
She's not going to leave.
Please. I will leave. I told them I will leave. Let me talk to my dad, please.
Your dad ain't here.
Please, sir.
Your dad ain't here.
Okay. That's no problem of mine.
Quit pulling away.
I would like my cans that the construction workers told me I could have.
Not
The
giving us
construction
information, not
workers
leaving.
told me I could have the can.
The only reason why she went down the left was because
The
of us.
construction workers. The only reason why I stayed
Is
is
she
because
30?
the construction workers said I could have the cans. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to have no problems. Please, will you?
Would you turn
Will you
your
let me
head?
leave?
That's all her beer over there.
Please, I promise. I
Well,
promise, sir.
she slapped.
Please, I promise.
She slapped away.
I
Yeah, she
promise,
grabbed
ma'am.
me. We.
Please,
Yeah.
please, will you please have mercy on my 30th birthday, please?
You have a battery?
I'm trying to make
No, she hit
money.
her. She pulled away
I'm
from
trying to
me.
make money. I didn't mean to be on
You
the
hold
phone.
on to her.
Yep. No, sorry.
I really apologize.
I don't know what she's
No,
got.
I really apologize.
Looks like she's got
I'm
some
not
kind
trying
of
to fight. I really
That's what she's
apologize.
smoking or meth with.
What?
Oh, look at this that she's got in here. That's
Tobacco? I smoke tobacco.
this could hurt somebody.
Okay, well take it from me then. I don't need it.
Freaking
I'm not
ridiculous.
Stop grabbing me.
I'm not
That's
You're
what
gonna
she
get
did
charged
with me.
even
She-
more.
I'm
Stop.
not grabbing you.
You just did.
I know, I'm going with whatever she's doing. Where do I need to get help, please?
Well, you're going to jail now. No, you're going to jail. Do you have anything in your boob area?
Oh, I didn't get that.
Bra area? Oh.
Stop it.
I'm letting you grab them.
No, we're not. We're not trying to
around.
grab.
No, I'm trying to show you that I'm not trying to hide anything.
Stop it.
Okay.
I'm trying to show you I'm not trying to hide anything. Please. Please help
What
me.
are you doing?
I'm trying to show you I'm not
Good.
trying to
Have
hide
a seat.
anything.
Yeah.
Please help me, please.
Get in the car.
Me?
Please help me, please.
Stop
Please,
grabbing me.
I'm a 30th person.
Are you still trying to search her?
No,
we're
I
not.
got her done now.
He's grabbing me.
Yeah, all you
I'm
gotta do is get in the car
begging you.
Get in
now.
the car.
Please. There's no reason for
You
this.
know what? You could have walked and left. You
And
want
I
to
did.
grab her?
I came
It
back
doesn't.
to grab my can.
Hasn't been used. Get in the
I'm
car.
Get in the.
I'm sorry.
She's doing it
I
on
came
purpose.
back to grab my can.
Okay.
Get in the
I'm
car.
sorry.
Hang on.
I'm not trying to have any
Here.
problems. I came back to grab my can. I'm sorry, officer.
Oh,
Have a seat in the car.
okay, sit down like a.
Please.
She doesn't.
Can I have my can?
Sit down.
No.
You want to grab
I
her,
came
smack
back
her?
to grab my can.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Get in the.
I'm sorry.
She's doing it
I
on
came
purpose.
back to grab my can.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going around the other
I'm
side.
sorry. I'm not trying to have any problems.
Hold on, she's got a bad shoulder.
I'm sorry,
Who
officer.
does?
You.
Oh, I'm
Have a seat in the car.
Okay, sit down like a.
Please.